Okay, we're going to have a go at drawing with Inventor. This is the grade 8 spinning top that we make, and we're going to have a go at doing the spinning top and see how we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new part. So over here I can come down to part, select on new, and you'll see down the bottom here on the tabs down here I've got a series of drawings. So there's my spinning top, and I've got part 2 and part 3. I'm going to draw a rectangle first of all, any size, and the good thing about Inventor is you can change things as you go. It's called parametric design. I'm going to put some dimensions on my rectangle, so I hover over the line, it changes colour. I select with my left mouse button, drag away, select again, and I can put a dimension on. Hover, left mouse button, and there's my 2 dimensions. When I select that dimension, I can now change that to 180 millimeters. I don't need to write millimeters because everything is drawn in millimeters, and I can click the little green tick and that size will change to 180. This one here, I'm going to change that to 42, and little green tick, and there we go. With my scroll wheel I can move that around now, and I can make it a bit smaller so I can see what I'm doing. If I depress the scroll wheel, I can pan it around so that I can move my drawing onto the screen. Now, once again, there's our little spinning top. Now I'm going to cut out the bit for the handle. So with another rectangle now, I'm going to come over and select that corner. You see how the green dot changes, sorry, the yellow dot changes to green? That tells me I've picked up the corner of the rectangle. So I select that green dot, drag out, and select again, and there's my second rectangle. Now I don't need this line, so I'm going to use the trim command. And I'm going to select that, and again, there are 2 lines there because there's the original rectangle and then the smaller rectangle. So there we go, I've got the basic shape. I'm going to put some sizes on this now. This one here, that one I'm going to change to 25. And this one, oops, I'm going to change to 90. Okay, once again, if I hold the scroll wheel down, I can move this around. I can zoom in and out with my scroll wheel. And there we go. I'm going to put a circle in here, any size, because once again I can click my dimension, left mouse wheel, put that wherever I like, click again. I'm going to change that to 24, and I'm also going to dimension from the center to the bottom line. So I only want the dot this time of the circle, so that's the dot and that line. Oops, let's try that again. From the dot to the line, drag it out. I'm going to change that to 20, and from the line to the dot, and I'm going to change that to 30. if you hit the enter on your keyboard, it's the same as hitting the little green tick. And that'll do us for a start. Over here we've got a viewing cube. I'm going to hit the little home symbol over here, and that's going to turn it down so I'm looking at it in isometric. What I'm going to do now is say I've finished the sketch, and the menu option up here changes to model. I'm going to go to extrude. The profile is this shape, so I'm going to select that profile. Automatically it sets it up to 10 millimeters, but I'm going to change that to the thickness of the timber we use, which is 18. And if I like, I can go below where I've drawn on this blue plane. I can go above or below, or I can have it around the middle of the plane. This drawing doesn't really matter which way we go. Going to OK, and there we go. It's starting to look a lot like what we've got down here. There we go, that'll do for the first part.